CIGA Design ist der Partner dafür und der Auftraggeber. Mijia, und hier in Sang darf ich auf die Bühne bitten. Gold.
For the last 25 years, I've been trying to express myself through my work. I found that time is the most fair to us all. It is the same 24 hours a day God gives to each person. But to each person, time differentiates greatly, both in dimension, meaning, and value. To me, the most important thing is to make a better design with the limited time that I have. As the world becomes more complicated, it's the simpler things which become more beautiful. And you can only feel relaxed after escaping from these complications. If we do things that really matter, our life can be simpler. The essence of living life is the concept of simplification. And I integrated this concept into this watch to be one of the best pieces of my work. There is a common dream with every designer. That is to behold one piece of work that belongs to oneself, according to one's own wishes. Luckily, this watch was designed for myself. In my career, it's a design that follows my heart, and I'm touched that this can represent me. Let go of the rules that restrict oneself and create significance with simplification. This is my point. This is my creation.